loft living at its finest. So open floor plan,
Yep.
you know.
The fridge, damn.
Hey, what is up, everybody? I am doing something a little bit different. I'm really excited about it. It is a tour of a loft space. I actually have the realtor here with me right here, Dina, and she is going to be giving us a tour in the space. We're going to talk a little bit about the neighborhood. Here at Live Small, Roam Free, I like to show not just the vans and the trucks and the expedition trucks, but I want to start showing more tiny homes as well as loft spaces, because I really feel that we can show people how we can live small and roam free, exactly what the channel is named. Without further ado, let's get Dina on camera and we're gonna have a beautiful conversation, and she's gonna be able to show us this amazing unit that we are in. All right, we're kind of on the outside here, walking around, just around the block. It's actually a great little area. It's, again, the Pearl District. There's public transportation, obviously, in the city. I've got the train right here that actually runs, I believe, on both sides of the building. I actually took a scooter over here. I live in a different area of town, only about a mile away from here. And I jumped on a scooter and I got right down here. When I live in cities, I always try to think about, is there a cafe? Are there good bars and restaurants? And there's plenty around here. Now I'm gonna turn the camera around. I don't wanna walk down this street, but it does look like that just 2 blocks off the main road is a beautiful tree-lined street. Looks like it's a bunch of townhouses. These could be businesses, they could be residencies. Looks like they're residents, but these are really, really nice. You can say what you want about Portland. I don't care about that. I like to just show potentials, right? The potential of a really cool small space. I like to show the neighborhood that small space is in. For the outdoor enthusiast, Portland is a really cool place to live and work, because you have some of the best windsurfing in the world 45 minutes from here. Skiing or snowboarding an hour from here, 11 months out of the year. Mountain Hood, you can ski on 11, I think it's 11 months out of the year. You have the ocean. The Oregon coast is some of the nicest, most beautiful area of the Pacific coast. That's an hour from where we are in Portland. So you have all these amenities that you can get to. The Portland airport was just redone and it's gorgeous. Well, right across the street, you have a dental office, so you got that going for you. Nice little cafe, it looks like. Coffee and croissants. How about a florist? You guys need any florists? Oh my God, it smells so good what I just walked past. It smelled like brand new bread. That coffee shop, bakery, whatever it was. Oh, so good. Now, there wasn't a gym on property, but just 2 blocks down the road, there's an Orange Therapy Fitness. And then a couple blocks the other direction, there's actually an LA Fitness. If you really don't want to work out, there's a really nice looking cafe restaurant right here behind me. Indeed, it does look like food grocery store. Amazing. Before we go inside, this is just a green belt kind of around me right here. I mean, look at this. This is amazing. We have basketball courts on one side that are obviously public. Looks like we have a little park area down there for the kiddos, but this is great for anybody that has a dog like me. They can take their dog over here and maybe not let them run away because there's street on both sides. Nice little park area. I don't even know what this area is called. However, it is part of the Pearl District area, and the riverfront is actually not even that far. It is only like a few blocks that way. Let's go inside and check out the unit though. Hi, Dina.
Hi, Jarrod.
First of all, can you tell us who you're representing, your team, like your agency, whatever you're doing?
Yes, absolutely. So I am with the Millennial Group, which is a team at Keller Williams Portland Central. The Millennial Group consists of myself and my principal broker, Ty Brown, and this is actually her listing.
Oh, great.
Thank you to you guys for coming and highlighting this property.
We are in Portland.
Yes.
And people can talk as much as they want about Portland, but we have mountains on one side, oceans on the other, and I think it's a great area.
It's a beautiful area.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is the building called?
The building is called the City Lofts.
The City Lofts.
Yes.
And what is the square footage we are in?
The square footage of this space is about 985 square feet, so just under 1,000.
This is so beautifully done. We're gonna actually spin around if that's okay. We're gonna start in the kitchen, is that okay?
Please, let's start in the kitchen.
Did the owner do all of these built-ins, or did they come with the, like, how did this work?
So the owner that's currently in it right now did not. I believe the previous owner might have.
Okay.
Yeah.
So all of these choices, this is beautifully done. This is like, I actually saw this online and I was like, I actually just crashed your open house is what I did.
We're happy you did.
Do you know anything about the appliances, the unit, or anything of that nature? Is that a
Thermador, yes.
Thermador.
Thermador. The fridge.
Thermador.
The fridge. Damn.
So the owner technically lives here, but the fridge is empty.
He might just eat out all the time. I don't know.
I mean, maybe. Look at all the storage, though. I just backed up a little bit, and there's
tons of storage.
Tons of storage. It's really well laid out. The exposed brick.
My favorite part.
It's real. There's some people that fake it.
Oh, it's real. You know, feel it.
Beautiful island, and then
It's a huge island. Quartz countertops.
oh, there are quartz. Two things that sell things in houses are kitchens, and then over here is our bathroom.
Bathroom.
Yeah.
Let's head into the bathroom.
We're all redone?
Not by the current owner, but I believe so, yeah.
Okay. What floor are we on, by the way?
Second.
Second out of how many?
There are 3 floors.
Okay.
And then a parking garage.
And a parking garage underneath? Does parking come with this unit?
With this unit, yes. Some of the units, no. But
Oh, really?
yes.
Okay. Is this one of the smaller units, or are they all kind of this
This
size?
is one of the smaller units, yeah. I don't know exactly how big the other one is, but the ones above us are bigger.
And the bathroom is the bathroom. You do get a tub.
Which is, it's a great size tub.
It is. It's actually really nice. I like this.
Yeah.
Obviously, neither one of us has showered in here, so we don't know how the splash is up against, but it's nice that, like, I'm interested to see how that would work.
You want to try?
I don't. I don't.
I haven't showered in here either, so I can't tell you, but...
No, but I would assume it works fine. I would
Yeah.
like to put one light in here. I just feel like
Somewhere
it's
up
missing
above,
one.
huh?
I feel like it's
Yeah.
missing a light. Although, I just put the camera up there. I like the exposed beams.
I know.
I know, so it is really
the
nice.
exposed beams are cool. We have them up here too.
We do. And then we have a washer and dryer in unit.
We do. It's a stackable washer and dryer.
Oh, beautiful.
LG appliances. Yeah, convenient.
Nice little foyer here in the front, plenty of room. I can't get over the amount of storage we have in here. Nice beam, apparently. Okay. This is Loft living at its finest. So open floor plan.
Yep.
You know, kitchen with a kitchen table, living room, and then apparently a desk, bedroom. Now, apparently a TV would go here, I would guess.
Yes, I would put it here. I think it fits the aesthetic.
The aesthetic of the living room. Is furniture included in the price?
No, but
Can it be negotiated?
everything in real estate is negotiable, so try your luck.
What is your current asking price?
Current asking price is $385,000.
$385,000. Should we talk about HOA or no?
I mean, we can. It's there. We can't hide it, right? $748 a month, and that covers commons, management, sewer, water, and insurance.
Wow, really? That's actually a lot more than I thought.
Yeah.
It is a little steep from what a lot of people would probably say, but
But that's just condo living in Portland, though.
it's exactly what you just said, condo living in Portland. You do have, whoever built this in did a phenomenal job.
Great use of space.
Yeah, it is a Murphy bed, if I'm staying corrected,
Murphy bed.
with a library ladder.
Isn't that cool?
I love
I actually
that.
haven't tested that out yet. I'm scared I'll fall and break my face, but...
Oh, you have to get up there right now.
Only for the camera. Is this sturdy?
I don't
Guys,
know.
watch something
I don't
terrible.
know, but if you fall and break your face, I feel terrible.
Watch something happen.
You don't have to go all the way up. I was just kind of like, there it is.
It works.
So if the bed was actually up, you could actually move that library ladder across on all the
Yep.
things, and then you could have that for all storage and everything.
Yep.
Whoever staged this did a great job, by the way.
Thank you. We only work with the best.
It's not a Juliet balcony, but it is a balcony.
You know, I kind of like to call it a Juliet balcony.
Is it? I don't even know why. I don't even know what a Juliet balcony is.
Do you want to go out here?
Sure. we
Juliet
can go.
balcony. Oh, it's something like this. I mean, stand out here and you call out to Romeo. But
Okay. It's actually a good size.
I think it's a great size.
We're on the
Yeah.
second floor, so it's not like crazy fall. Now, I'm actually scared of heights. You don't know about this, but I'm okay with like a secured height. So
And you would say this is a secured height?
This is because we got the
We got
railing
the railing.
right here.
We're
Yeah.
protected. It's fine.
I mean, Glacier, my dog, would
Mm-hmm.
be very okay with this. She can't fit through the bars.
That's all that matters.
That's all that matters.
Yeah.
We're above the lampposts. We're in a great area, I feel like. We didn't hear any noise when we were inside, did you?
No.
So
No,
whoever
not at
did the installation of the windows and whatnot did a great job.
They did, yeah. The Pearl District is a great area in Portland.
Well, thank you for bringing that up. We are in the Pearl District.
In the Pearl District.
And that is one of the most coveted districts of Portland.
Of Portland, correct.
Okay. Let's go back inside. Oh, this is a great shot from back here.
Is it? You got the whole unit?
You get the whole unit.
Yeah.
Everybody, that's just not some creeper in the corner back there. That is Maisha. That is Dina's sister. She's being training into real estate. Love the ducting work. That is a functioning duct, right? So that's where your heating and air conditioning come through.
All come out of there.
I can't get over whoever designed it did a really good job.
They did. Yeah. It's honestly, it's a great use of space. You would think in about 1,000 square feet. I mean, just from my experience, even seeing other units that are around that same size, this one just feels open and airy and livable.
You know, with your team, have you sold anything of this size before? Or do you normally go bigger?
We normally go bigger, but my business partner, Ty, she actually sold the unit up above. I can't remember how long ago it was, but it was before I ever started working with her. I just remember hearing stories. So she sold that one, she sold this one, and now she's selling this one again.
So she has repeat clientele?
Yes.
That's the whole point of real estate, everybody.
Absolutely.
Now, this is going to stay the way that it is. You're always going to get this view. Which is
they can't
beautiful.
build anything over this, which is nice.
So you don't have like a bad view is kind of what I'm saying.
No.
It's actually, this is city living at its finest.
City living at its finest.
I love the view. I would like to be on a higher floor, but this is second floor and there's no obstructions.
But exactly. It feels like you're on a higher floor because you don't have anything blocking your views, and you won't.
I looked at all the comps in the area, and the comps in the area, this is really well priced for what you're getting.
Really well priced, especially after that 10K price reduction.
You just had a 10K price cut.
Yeah.
So good on you guys. This actually might even be sold by the time I put the video out, but
it might.
But you can always contact Dina, everybody, and you can get a hold of her if she still has this one, or if you have other ones that are maybe this size.
And we'll be getting more, absolutely.
You always do.
Yeah.
And I'll actually want to tour more with you.
I would love to have you tour more with us.
Okay. We're going to get you loosened up on camera a little bit more. Maybe get Maisha on there at some point.
I'll always be in the back. She said...
Just always the creeper in the back?
She said, I'm not going to be on camera. No, we do home tours, but again, we're very like, okay, we have a script, this is our intro, and then we just highlight the house, but...
Guys, I don't script. I caught her completely off guard, so
Literally
I'm sorry.
completely
Like I said, I crashed the open house. If you guys want more tours of larger units, like I try to stay right around 1,000 square feet, but if you want larger units, let me know and I can set it up with Dina and we can actually tour some other homes that are more what you guys tour, luxury.
Luxury, but there's also just a lot of really cool spaces that are bigger. I mean, there's like houses out there that look like castles. I
would love us to tour castles.
Yeah.
Let's do some of that. Like, I know there's like an airplane house in the city somewhere.
Airplane house?
Yeah, it's over in Hillsborough.
Oh, yeah, I know what one you're talking about. Yeah.
I know. I mean, that's never going to go on the market. But if you find something like that, I want to tour it.
Yeah, there's also the Twilight House, which is currently occupied. The Twilight House?
The one that was in the movie?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They shot, you know that, right? They shot it here?
I mean, I did. I didn't realize that, though.
Yeah.
It's here in the city?
In Portland.
Oh, I thought it was like out by Astoria.
No.
Oh, it's here.
No. The house, what's his name? Edward's house. What's his last name?
I don't know. You got that's your generation, not mine.
Oh, is it Cullens?
The Cullens. We're gonna get ripped apart in the comments right now.
I'm so sorry. Team Edward, guys. Their house, the house that they shot in, the one with all the glass, like in the trees.
It's gorgeous.
Stunning, absolutely stunning. But it's occupied right now. If I were them, I would probably turn it into like a museum or something and monetize it. But
you leave it to the real estate person to come up with a business idea. Right? I would have never thought of that.
I think about it all the time.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, I actually meant to ask you this when we were in the kitchen. Is there a dishwasher?
A dishwasher? There is.
It's just in the island?
Yep. No, well, it's right here. Sorry. Not on the island, but it's right here.
Oh, cool. I mean, there it is.
It's kind of hidden, but that's the best part about it. It's all really sleek, I would say. Sleek designs.
I mean, look at that coffee machine. I'm just a coffee snob. Again, where can we find you before we end the video? Where can anybody find you to
on socials and
everything,
all of that?
All the good stuff.
Social media is Real Estate by Dina, and then our team's Instagram is Millennial Group PDX.
Cool.
And then I will hand you over my email. So.
And all of that information will be in the link below, or in the description below for everybody.
Yep, I'll give my our website info out and all of that, so you guys can always contact us.
And take a look. You have your website. You have all of your listings on there, I believe.
Yep, all of our listings, and you can even research other listings through our website as well. And we personalize our website, so you can find out all the info about the spaces, all the areas.
Thank you so much for allowing me to crash your party.
Thank you for crashing it, Jarrod. This was fun. This was great.
This is great. We're going to do more of these. Anything, Maisha? Nothing.
She said, I'm just here.
All right, guys. Have a good one.